How to fix Face ID and Passcode option not showing on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. Scroll down, open the option Screen Time. Scroll down, open the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll all the way down. Over here you will find the section of Allow Changes. Open the option of Passcode Changes. Enter your Screen Time passcode. Now set it to Don't Allow. Once you do that, hit back. Scroll up. Toggle off for this option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now close your settings. Again, open your Settings app. Scroll down. Open the option Screen Time. Head towards the option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle on for the option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down. Open the option Passcode Changes. Set it to Allow. Once you do that, head back to the main page of settings. Now scroll down. You will be able to find the option of Face ID and Passcode. So this is how you can fix Face ID and Passcode option not showing on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.